The bird does not have any savings. A bird does not have any savings. It doesn't put anything for tomorrow or the day after. The bird each day wakes up empty stomach and goes and gets what it wants and comes back. Feeds itself and feeds its children. And the Prophet said to us, لو أنكم توكلتم على الله حق توكله لرزقكم كما يرزق الطير تغدو خماصا وتروح بطانا. If you relied on Allah the way that the bird relies on Allah, look at that. Allah will provide for you the way that He provides for the bird. It leaves with an empty stomach and it comes with an empty stomach. The bird does not have savings. The brother here, he has savings. He's got money and he's worried and he's concerned. Are we all together, brothers? Tawakkul. Rely on who? Allah Azza wa Jalla. He's the one who's going to give it to you, subhanahu wa ta'ala.